Unveiling the meaning behind a downpour of support. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that beautifully captures the essence of empathy and solidarity: downpour of support. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of this intriguing phrase. First, let's break down the imagery behind downpour of support. A downpour refers to a heavy rain, the kind that soaks everything in a matter of minutes. It's intense, it's overwhelming, and it's impossible to ignore. Now, when we pair downpour with support, we're using this natural phenomenon to describe a situation where there is an overwhelming amount of support coming from people. This support can be in the form of kind words, actions, donations, or any other means of helping someone through a tough time. Now, let's focus on support. Support can be emotional, financial, physical, or social. It's about standing by someone, offering help, and showing empathy and solidarity. When we talk about a downpour of support, we're emphasizing not just the quantity but the intensity and the impact of this support. It's about creating a powerful and positive force that can help someone weather a storm in their life. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. Imagine a community coming together to rebuild a neighbor's house after a fire, with donations of money, materials, and labor pouring in from all sides. Or think about the global response to natural disasters, where aid, volunteers, and messages of hope flood in from around the world. In both cases, the downpour of support can be seen and felt, making a tangible difference in the lives of those affected. Using downpour of support in conversation is a powerful way to express empathy or gratitude for collective efforts during challenging times. You might say, after the accident, there was a downpour of support from the community, to express how overwhelmed and grateful you felt by the help received. Or, let's create a downpour of support for the victims of the hurricane, to motivate others to contribute to relief efforts. In wrapping up, the phrase, downpour of support, beautifully illustrates how powerful and transformative empathy, solidarity, and community can be, especially during the darkest times. It's a testament to the human capacity to come together and make a difference. We hope this video has not only helped you understand this phrase but also inspired you to be a part of a downpour of support when the opportunity arises. Thank you for watching, and remember, every little bit of support can contribute to a downpour that can change lives. See you in the next video.